Assalamualaikum and greetings to Mr. Nur Hafizan. This is Group 4 of GQK0050, consisting me, Azara Fatima, Li Chengshi, Nur Amira Solvina, Nurul Sharana Biha, and Wianda Tazkiyah Muhtara. We are now presenting our documentary video project with the title Sustainable Futures, Malaysian Universities Leading the Way. In this video, we present how a number of Malaysian universities as higher education institutions are following and keeping up with the global agenda, the Sustainable Development Goals that has started in 2016 and the framework extending to 2030 in order to protect the planet. In this video, we present the creation of environmentally responsible campuses, the encouragement of innovative research, the enforcement of community engagement, and how Malaysian universities are shaping a greener future.
To begin, Malaysian universities are playing an important role in promoting sustainability. Many campuses are adopting eco-friendly infrastructure such as energy efficient building, green landscapes, and better waste management system. At the same time, universities are implementing sustainability policy to ensure daily operations are environmentally responsible. These efforts are aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs, which mean universities are not only improving their campuses but also contributing to global sustainability targets. Sustainability is embedded into three main areas, which is the first one is campus operations, which includes energy use, waters, and waste. And the second one is the curriculum, where sustainability knowledge is taught to students. And the last one is long-term planning, which is ensuring future development is sustainable. All of this reflects the three pillars of sustainability: environmental, social, and economic, which guide balanced and responsible development. Next, universities do more than just provide green facilities. They act as driver of sustainability. Sustainability is integrated into teaching and learning, where students gain awareness and skill to address environmental challenges. It is also part of research activities, where universities develop innovations and solutions for real-world problems. Another key role is through community partnerships. Universities collaborate with industries, organizations, and local community to promote sustainable practices beyond the campus. Because of this, universities function as living laboratories for sustainability. This means the campus become a real-life testing grounds where ideas, technologies, and sustainable systems can be tried, improved, and applied in the real world. Lastly, sustainability is also strongly reflected in education and research. Environmental topics are now embedded across curricula, so students from different fields, not just environmental studies, learn about sustainability. Universities also establish innovation labs and research centers focused on solving environmental issues. Key focus areas include renewable energy, water management, waste reductions, and biodiversity conservation. Through these efforts, students develop real-world problem-solving skills, preparing them to become future leaders who can make sustainable decisions. Overall, universities are not only places of learning, they are shaping knowledge, research, and future professionals to build a more sustainable society. Next, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Student-led initiatives also play a vital role in promoting sustainability. Through social clubs, campaigns, and community activities like tree planting, cleanups, and eco-awareness, students bring sustainability values to communities. Next, please. Students from Southern University College held the Love the River, Love Malaysia cleanup campaign. Students, lecturers, and local residents worked together, collecting 15 bags of waste in just 1 hour. The experience encouraged to reduce the use of single-use plastics by carrying reusable water bottles and bags. Students from University Malaysia, Sabah also actively participate in sustainability initiatives. They organize environmental and sustainability activities through groups such as the Eco Campus and Innovation Department of the Free Eco Campus Committee. Despite progress, Malaysian universities still face many challenges like funding limitations, a lack of awareness among the public, and gaps in existing policies on the road towards sustainability. Although facing these difficulties, Malaysian universities are still setting ambitious goals. They plan to focus on carbon neutrality, smart campuses, and sustainable transport systems. These steps will be the way to make real breakthroughs in the process towards sustainability. Thank you.
Okay, next we look at how universities are promoting sustainable transport and smart campus systems. University Kebangsaan Malaysia or UKM targets 70% sustainable travel by 2030, encouraging public transport, walking and cycling, and carpooling. Facilities like park and ride, bike sharing, and traffic regulations help reduce car use, especially for the first year students. The MyUKM Smart Bus app also allows real-time shuttle tracking, making campus travel more efficient. UTAR complements this by installing rooftop solar panels using energy-efficient equipment and creating low-carbon buildings, supporting Malaysia's net zero goals.
Next, we are going to explore and compare how various Malaysian universities are tackling the global challenge of sustainability. First, we begin with University Malaya, which leads with a dual-pronged approach, which focus on water sustainability and energy efficiency. For water sustainability, they focus on SDG 6, UM actively engaged in river cleanups and water monitoring. They also extend their impact beyond campus to rural water and sanitation projects. For energy efficiency, they are optimizing their infrastructure with LED lighting, motion sensors, and high efficiency chillers, alongside solar PV installation and climate education programs. Moving on to University Technology Malaysia, UTM, and University Kebangsaan Malaysia, UKM, we can see a focus on infrastructure and clean energy. UTM is taking a massive leap in clean energy with a 935 kilowatt peak large-scale solar PV system, significantly reducing their dependency on the national power grid. UKM, on the other hand, is focusing on a smart campus model. They are tackling transport emissions by promoting cycling and public transport, managed through a smart bus app and strict traffic regulations to prioritize sustainable mobility. Next, we have Utah and Southern University College. Utah is committed to carbon reduction. They have integrated rooftop solar panels and are prioritizing low carbon building designs to ensure their physical growth doesn't come at an environmental cost. Southern University College focuses heavily on community engagement. There are initiatives such as cleanup campaigns and plastic reduction awareness serve to bridge the gap between the campus and local community, fostering a culture of environmental responsibility. Finally, we can take a look at University Malaysia Sabah (UMS), which stands out for its emphasis on student-led sustainability. Through their eco-campus and innovation programs, they empower student organizations to lead to the charge, ensuring that the next generation of leaders graduates with a hands-on understanding of environmental stewardship. So, in summary, while the focus areas vary from water and energy to transport and community, the goal remains the same: a more sustainable future. Each of these universities provide a unique blueprint on how higher education can lead the way in environmental action. So, we pass on to the next presenter.
Thank you. So, from the example mentioned earlier, it highlights key trends across Malaysian universities. Sustainability is treated as a long-term commitment combining infrastructure, policy, education, and community engagement. Students are central, driving change through research, innovation, and activities. Universities act as a role models, influencing society beyond campus while supporting national goals and the UN Sustainable
Development Goals. In conclusion, Malaysian universities are shaping a sustainable future through innovation, research, and active student involvement. Sustainability starts on campus through everyday action, education, and collaboration. As students and future leaders, we all have a role in supporting this initiative. The action we take today will help create a greener tomorrow for everyone.
And now we have come to an end of our presentation. We have seen how Malaysian universities are following the global agenda, their innovations, their efforts and challenges in order to create a sustainable environment for the sustainable Malaysia and absolutely for the better future. Thank you for watching.